Hello guys, this is Aryan Gupta and I am from the chemistry department of IIT Kharagpur, and today we are going to start with Arduino based projects, two of which I am going to show you now. Over here is the Arduino DHT22 humidity and temperature sensor project on the Proteus 8 simulation software. The project that can be seen over here has this humidity and temperature sensor, and for the output has this LED over here. The source code for this project was written over here as shown. The values for humidity and temperature were taken from the sensor, and then the required instructions were written through the code to obtain the desired output through the LED as shown over here. For example, for the given set of humidity and temperature, the output can be seen by running the simulation. As can be seen, the LED is blinking. Once we change the humidity and the temperature settings, first we need to stop the simulation, and then if we change the humidity and temperature settings, we get another output from the LED. The LED is again blinking, but with a different time interval. In the first case, it was blinking for 1 second, and in the second case, it is blinking for half a second. The second project which I am going to show you is the Arduino RGB Common Cathode LED. In this project, we are going to try to create a kind of a periodic signal using the output from the blinking LED. For this, we have written the source code as shown over here, which will give output for half a second, then go off for 1 second, again give output for 0.25 second and go off for 0.5 second, and so on. To obtain the waveform of this periodic signal, we connected the output to the oscilloscope so that the output is obtained in the green waveform. Now, to obtain the signal, we run the simulation. To obtain the waveform, we need to access the digital oscilloscope. Over here, as can be seen, the oscilloscope is showing us the green waveform, which is depicting the signal from the blinking LED. The settings were changed to DC input, and the horizontal setting was changed to 200 milliseconds. Channel B was set to 5 volts and channel D to 1 millivolt to obtain the final waveform as shown. Thanks for watching.